Hi, this is Hillary. I'm with BRG Triad, and I'm going to take you on a little walk through this home. I'm going to walk you through a couple points to make sure you're looking for when you walk through a home, because you don't want to walk into any surprises when you move in. So this kitchen is beautiful. We have this beautiful large island, and from the eye, you can't really see any issues in here. But if you look to the ceiling, you'll see we have a little watermark here, which tells us there was previous leaks up there, and we want to make sure that they've been taken care of. Also, as you're walking throughout the home, it's a little hard to see little nicks in the floor, but when you have real hardwood floor, you want to make sure that it's not messed up and there's not chips in it throughout the home. If you notice over here, you can barely see this as you walk through, but there is a little chip on the floor, and someone's going to be mad when they move in and realize they didn't notice that during the walkthrough. Also, if you're walking through a home that has a large rug in the floor and you see hardwood floors, you're going to want to lift the rug and make sure there's nothing wrong with the floors under there, because owners could be hiding a big surprise. Another thing I like to do with my clients is go through the bathrooms, check underneath the sinks, and make sure we don't see any significant damage, water damage, or anything under there that's going to cause to go on our first floor and ruin our ceilings. Another important thing, your windows. Your windows keep the heat and air in your home. You don't want to have any high energy bills, so check the windows. Make sure you don't feel any air coming through the sides or anywhere. Make sure they're in good condition. Another important thing, if your shower pressure is really important for you, you can always go into your shower, make sure plenty of pressure so you can have your nice hot showers. Another little awesome tip if you're a first-time home buyer, if you ever walk through a home that's got some beautiful decor, nice furniture, you love the curtains, you want the home just like it is, you can always negotiate all of these things into the sale. I actually negotiated all the furniture and decor in this home for my client. She's super happy. And if you're noticing any of these things as you're walking through the home, make sure your agent notates it to ask the seller's agent if they know of anything previously wrong with the home. If not, always rely on your home inspection to tell you those things. We want to provide a place for you guys to come and learn about how to buy and sell in this super hot real estate market. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more tips next time.